Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here at Motorcycle Park in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. Today is Baxter's Cycle Days or whatever they call it. They've got all kinds of the Royal Enfield trucks here and all that neat stuff, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this. Some fellow drove this thing in and he asked me if I wanted to ride it. I've never ridden one of these. It's called an Indian Chieftain. I'm not sure what year it is. It's got some miles on it. And he let me take it down the road and back. He actually said I could take it for the afternoon if I wanted, but I think I'll skip on that. But it's got all kinds of neat things about it. I don't know what size it is. I know it's humongous. I know it's air cooled. I know it's got torque like you wouldn't believe. And the center of gravity is ultra low. And I'm going to go out and I'm going to say this. And just, if you don't believe me, ride one. I think it's got a lower center of gravity than a Harley Davidson of the same size. And I'm not saying it's better or worse. I'm saying it feels like a much lower center of gravity. Now, those of you that have these, those of you that have Chieftains, chime in on that, especially if you had the Harleys too. I'm a Harley lover, but I also love this. What a beautiful motorcycle, huh? It ran very smooth, had an excellent engine, beautiful sound. It's got all kinds of goodies on it. It had, you know, this windshield goes up and down. I was rolling down the road, had the windshield all the way down. I got a big old June bug in the face. Put the windshield up, you do that with this button over here. It's got cruise control. It's got this big nav system. That's how you turn it on right there. Analog gauges, so tachometer over yonder. Over here we got the speedo, fuel range, Indian, all kinds of neat stuff there. I think this is a nav system here. Let's see what happens there. Anyway, but look at this thing, you know. Oh, here, okay, here's the cruise control over here. Start button. Look, I mean, just look at the quality of that stuff. Very interesting. I've never ridden anything like this. Yeah, that is a nav system. What happens if I push that? Oh, okay, like connectivity and stuff like that. Let's go back to nav. Anyway, lots of neat stuff. Not sure what any of this does. Like I said, this was a ride of opportunity, so I took it when the opportunity presents, you know. It looks like it has Reinhardt's on the back. That helps with the sound. Let's see what these bags are like. Oh, okay. Personal stuff in there. We'll leave that closed. But I think very good looking bags, huh? Easy to open. Let's try this one. Yeah, look at that. I like it. I don't know if that's a stock seat. It says Indian on it. These are my Royal Enfield gloves, Alpine Star gloves. Check that out. An incredibly good looking motorcycle. It is a large bike. It feels large. It doesn't act as large as it looks, but you know, look at that fender, that swoop of the fender, the valance on the side, you know, dual disc brakes on the front, floating disc. I can't see the calipers, so I can't tell you much about that. Very distinctive Indian fairing. I drove across Nebraska yesterday, and a lot of guys coming back from Sturgis, and I could tell the Indians every single time. The fairing, you know, give it away every single time. They have their own look. Very distinctive compared to a Harley Davidson. Look at the quality of all that. You know, well, let's just start down here. I wonder if that lights up when it's running. You know, all of this LED, big engine badging, the windshield that goes up and down, all of that. The turn signals incorporated into that. The lowers. I would wonder what this was. I wonder what this would be like in the rain. Check out this tank. The badging there. Silver, gold line, gold this, black here. The fringe, you know, you got to have that on an Indian, right? And check out that big old pipe. Two-sided pipe. Look at that whole back end again. You know, talking about the valance, the fender valances. I know those are the bags, but you know, the black on the silver. I think that's silver. I wonder if those bags pop off easy. I'm not sure. Yeah, they do. You twist them off. Two little twist offs right there. Very nice. Easy closing. Just a gorgeous looking machine. Big old footboards. Running boards. Check that out. I love running boards like that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the Indian logo is reflecting off of here from the sun. Loads of chrome. Miles of chrome. Just miles and miles of chrome. Truly a beautiful machine. Antenna. It was fun to ride. Oh, look at this. Okay, so these you can move up and down. Wind deflectors. Huh. Very interesting. I'm not sure what these are. Are these speakers? Nope, these are cubbies. Okay. one on each side. Speakers up in the fairing. Big old gear shifter right there. That's for the clutch right there. Really quite the machine. Quite a machine. Intake on this side. Huh. I suppose that's ignition or computer stuff on that side. Big old crash bars on the front. I'm pretty impressed with it. I really like the way it rode. I was very impressed with that. I could take this on a 1,000-mile ride. Hint, hint. A real shiner, isn't it? I wish I don't have my helmet camera. I thought I had the afternoon off, so I should learn that people always show up with the most interesting things if you don't have your good cameras with you, you know. But we'll get this quick look at it. Like I said, I did take it for a bit of a ride. Very enjoyable, very good sounding. Well, let's throw a leg over and see if we can get it to start, huh? Oh, this is a sunglass cubby right there. Yeah, a little phone cubby or whatever. Okay, guys, Fuzzy Biker here. Let's see if we can get it to go. Kickstand up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha ha ha! See if we can get it into neutral. Can y'all hear it? Okay, let's put the side stand down. See if we can leave it there. It's got a great sound. Hope y'all can hear that. GoPro has a way of muting those kind of things, so trust me when I tell you it sounds great. Those Reinhardts are something else. Okay, my friends, it's a beautiful day in the mighty metropolis of Marnie. If you guys are interested in new or used Royal Enfield, Triumph, classic British bike of any type, need parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, jackets, gloves, boots, anything at all for motorcycles, get yourself down here to the mighty metropolis of Martin and Baxter Cycles, or go to BaxterCycle.com. Tell those fine folks that Fuzzy Biker, that's me, sent you. I'm gonna go hop on that bike and go for a ride. Life is good. Go do the same yourselves. Wahoo! Yippee-yi-yay! Yippee-yi-yo! Down the road we go. Beautiful, beautiful machine.